Do you know what are components in React? Components are blocks of any React applications, and a typical React application will have many of these. A component is a bunch of JavaScript classes or functions that can accept some inputs and even without any inputs but return a React element finally. In this tutorial, I am going to show you a simple component and I will introduce you with its structure very fast. In previous tutorials, I explained how to install React on your computer and how to have the first simple project Hello World in your computer and how to have the React files. Okay, we created this folder Hello, and inside it we created a project Hello. We considered its folder public src. And in this tutorial we are going to create a simple component. We go to our browser and type this address localhost 3000. We can see that there's an error unable to connect because we should go to Visual Studio Code and start our servers by going to that folder. Okay, our folder of our project is hello, so we should go to hello folder with this command cd hello. Then we type this command npm start. Okay, now automatically our browser will open. We will refresh it. That's nothing. For creating a first and simple component here in src folder, in src folder we need index.js file. Please delete everything in index.js, also in app.js. Please delete everything from these two files and just we use index.js. For using React codes, we import React by this command from quotation React and then semicolon. Okay, I explained that a component can be a very simple function even without any input. In this sample, just we are going to display a simple message, for example, hello React component. So we create a function and give to this function a name, for example hello. Please be careful that your component name here should start with a capital letter, with capital H. Okay, it's very important. Then continue on coding with bracket. Now this component will return a message as, for example, HTML code h1, and I want to show this message hello React component, and here we add a semicolon. Now our function is done and created successfully, but for displaying this function in our browser with React we need another React DOM library. So we should here import this React DOM from quotation React dash DOM, and then add a semicolon here. Now we use another function that is designed for this purpose. Its name is React DOM dot render. Okay, this function has two arguments. The first one is the name of our component that we should type it with a soft closing tag like this one, hello. Okay, and here we put comma. Then we should use document react element, document dot get element by ID, and the name of that element, that in our case is root, because when we go to our index.html from public folder, we can see that we called the React code with this ID root. So in index.js we add the name of root here. Okay, we type here root and comma, comma, and here a semicolon. Okay, now just we should save and see the result. Okay, I press Ctrl S for compiling. Yes, our first component is created. We created a component as a simple function. Its name is hello, and shows a message hello React component, and then we call this component with React DOM dot render that has two arguments. One of them is the name of our component with this soft closing tag, and another is using a DOM library with its name that in our case is root. Okay, but you should pay attention that here we didn't use HTML code. It's actually a kind of JSX code, and JSX converted to JavaScript's code and React's code. If we go to, for example, this website bubblejs.io, here if we go to try it out, and in presets pay attention to React to be selected. If we type here hello React component, in React system it will be such these things. So JSX convert this code that looks like HTML. It's not here. It's not here an HTML code. It looks like HTML, but JSX converted to this one. Actually, it's the magic of JSX. In next tutorials, we will consider it more. Just I wanted to show you how we can have a simple function, a simple component, and be familiar with its structure. I hope this tutorial be useful for you. If you enjoyed, please like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.